Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course guys, for today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to block comments or block comments from specific users on your Instagram. Alright, so this works for both Android as well as the iPhone. I'll be demonstrating on the iPhone, but the process works just the same across all the apps, whether Android or iOS. Alright, so first thing you want to do guys is just go ahead, make sure you're connected to the internet. Once you're connected to the internet guys, go ahead and launch the Instagram app. Make sure you're on your profile, and of course you may be on your home feed as normal. Go ahead and tap the icon in the lower section of the screen, the last icon, which is the profile icon. Next, when you're on your profile, go ahead and tap the three lines upper right, and of course from here you're going to go to settings. See, this is a privacy concern. You're going to go over to the option that says privacy. And of course, next you're going to go to comments. Now, once you're in comments, you're going to basically have what we call the controls for your comment filter. Now, of course, you can go a little bit more complicated by specifying who you want generally comments to come from. But of course, the one that we're looking for is how to block comments from a specific user. I'm simply going to tap the option which is block comments from, meaning I'm going to specify a very specific user. Make sure that you tap the text itself to the section right there, and of course you'll be here. Notice or be warned that once you block someone, they won't be notified, so of course they'll be unaware, and any new comments that they make on your posts or stories won't be visible to anyone but them. And of course they'll be basically shadow blocked from your account. They might think they're commenting, but of course if they look from another device, they might be able to see that their comments are not showing up as they're being sandboxed or they have been blocked. All right, so of course that's a cool feature. He's seeing that they will not know. All right, so of course I would say use this as a last resort before attempting to do this. So of course use responsibly. All right, so let's go ahead and search for the person you want to block. Of course I'm just going to randomly search for any account. Let's say for example, so what I'm going to search for here, I'm just going to search for something random. So let's say for example I search for CNN. And of course, notice CNN here, which is the news channel. I'm just going to go ahead and block. So notice I have now blocked CNN. And of course, I don't really want to block CNN. I'm just using this for demonstration purposes. So I have just blocked them. And of course, I've gone back and notice it now says one person blocked. And of course, if you want to reverse this, you can always come back in. Then go ahead and check unblock. Notice when you unblock right here, it gives you the option you can unblock. And there you go, it's now unblocked. So the option is yours. You can actually keep populating the list as needed. Now of course, as a bonus tip, allow comments from if you want to. You can actually up the privacy of your comments by choosing from who is allowed to comment. Now of course you can set it to everyone, but of course you can only allow people to comment that basically people you follow and your followers. So basically you can set that, or you can set people only you follow, meaning if you're not following them they can't comment. Or you can have your followers, meaning the people that are following you, they are the only ones that can comment. So of course that's kind of option you can use to your advantage. For example, your followers, meaning if you're not a follower you're not allowed to comment. You understand? So you can basically use these to customize the effects of who is allowed to comment on your post. All right, so I won't allow this tutorial to go any longer. All right guys, Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips saying bye until next time. As usual, thank you guys for tuning in. Until next tutorial, bye.